how to use DoorDash Group Order split bills. In order to use DoorDash Group Order split bills, you can follow these steps. So what you want to do is, first thing first, you want to select a restaurant in a DoorDash app or on a DoorDash website and select a group order. Open up your app and you can find it at the very first page, group order. So here it is. You'll be able to find a group order section. So basically, you'll find it in the very first page. You want to start, or you want to select group order first thing, after which you then need to select a restaurant, and you just want to make sure to go ahead and add in the item that you wish to order. Before the order is created, choose everyone pays separately in the checkout procedure as well. Next, you just want to make sure to go ahead and use the invite button to copy the unique link to share it to participant by text or any sort of emails or any sort of social media platform. Each person uses the link to join, log into their own account, and adds in their desired item. And once you've done that, you could participate or participants are prompted to pay for their own item using their preferred payment method. The delivery fee is split even among all participants, while service fee are split proportionally based on each person's order cost as well. And that is how you're going to use DoorDash Group Order. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.